Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today we're talking about this awesome new insurance company for Uber drivers. So if you're an Uber driver and you want to get a better insurance plan, we have a link in the description where you can sign up for a free membership. So this awesome rideshare insurance company is called BuckleUp, if you haven't heard of it. And it's this really cool, awesome new insurance company that caters specifically towards gig workers. They actually have a special offer right now. So if you sign up for a free membership, they actually give you $5, and if you request to get a free quote, they'll send you $20. So you really just get free money for using their services or trying to, see what they're about, because they are a new company, so they're trying to get out there, you know what I mean? Some things that are great about Buckle that's better than regular car insurance is that there's no guesswork. They literally have all the coverage you need for personal driving and gig driving. Plus they won't check your credit if you have no credit score or you don't have a good credit score. It really doesn't matter. Everyone needs insurance. It's really important. So they actually would rather just look at your star rating on whatever app you're using rather than looking at your credit score, which honestly I think is a more fair way to judge a driver, because when you really think about it, if you're getting car insurance, then yeah, I think the way you drive is more important than what your credit score is, because your credit score isn't really related to your driving at all. So I think it's really smart that they're doing this. Also, what's great about Buckle is that they actually really care about their clients, and if you wanted to sign up to start using insurance from them, they will literally cover you immediately. You can start right now, right this second, or whenever you sign up, and they'll even help you cancel your old policy. That can usually be a pain if you're trying to switch insurance companies. You don't want to be paying for overlap time, so they really just don't want you to be wasting any of your money, so they help you through the entire process. And honestly, their customer service ranks really prove that. They have amazing customer service, and they can literally handle all of your claims, all of your coverage, any of your insurance needs. So yeah, all you have to do is literally just connect your account, confirm your driver and vehicle info, select the coverage that you want. They have different options for you, and then you just purchase their insurance and cancel your old one. You have to be a gig app worker or driver to use this insurance. If you're just a regular driver and you don't have any accounts being a driver for any of these apps, you cannot use this insurance. So just keep that in mind. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment down below what you think and if you're gonna get your Buckle insurance, and just see how it compares to your insurance right now. Again, we have a link in the description where you can sign up to get BuckleUp insurance. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos from us. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.